What happens when artificial intelligence stops asking for permission and starts making its own decisions? China is on a serious mission to lead the AI war. And the latest addition to the stack is Manus, not a typical chatbot or generative AI like DeepSeek, but the world's first ever autonomous AI agent. A system that doesn't just assist humans, it replaces them. Because it processes information so quickly, it outperforms even the most skilled professionals. But how did China build something that Silicon Valley had only been thinking about? And more importantly, what does it mean for the balance of power in artificial intelligence? When DeepSeek came out, people called it China's Sputnik moment for AI. DeepSeek was a wake-up call. It showed that China was making real progress in AI, closing the gap with Western models. But Manus is on another level entirely. It's not just another chatbot that spits out answers when you ask a question. It's an AI that works on its own, figures things out, and adapts as it goes. Most AI models like ChatGPT-4 or Gemini need constant input from people. You tell them what to do, and they respond. But Manus is different. It doesn't wait around for instructions. It sees a task, takes action, and adjusts as it learns. Think of it as an employee who never loses focus and never needs a break. It's one of the first AI systems that doesn't just react, it acts. And that makes it a huge step forward in AI development. Okay, enough marketing done. Now let's see some real demonstrations. We'll first analyze Tesla stock and get some investment insights. Obviously, we won't analyze. We'll let Manus do the job. And here we go. As you can see, there are two tabs. The left shows the steps Manus is going through, and the right one shows the actual execution process and coding. And the result is here. Oh, Manus generated a URL. Did they deploy something on the web? Let's open the URL, and oh my god, it's a complete dashboard with real-time data. Just look at the detailing in every segment of the dashboard. Bar chart, pie chart, technical analysis, SWOT analysis, and the list goes on. In one word, it's insane. Now we'll see how it makes an HR's life easier by screening resumes. Here we go again. We can wait a few seconds or can skip the process and jump to the results. This time it gave us two files. One shows all the files used or created in this session, and another is the Excel file of the screening. So let's download it and see what's waiting for us. From left, we can see all the candidate information, but at the right, it gave the evaluation summary and special notes for each candidate to make the decision-making easier. It also placed the top-rated candidates on top with a color to differentiate from others. If Manus can do this exactly like an HR, then we're excited to the future of Manus. So this time we're going to make a trip plan to Japan in April. Manus, let's go! Manus made a 7-day itinerary plan for us. It clearly shows the daily plans of each day specifically. Then there's a file for the proposal locations we're going to visit. Good. And then it gives us an HTML file for trip handbook. This one is, wow, this is so organized. It gave us our proposed location maps and mentioned the key locations to visit on that city. Manus even taught us some travel etiquettes and added some basic Japanese phrase to make the communication easier. This much accuracy proves that Manus is an actual agent. Manus is a Latin word which basically denotes brain and hand. It means your plan should be executed accurately to make even better plans. What makes Manus different? It's multi-agent architecture. Unlike typical AI models that rely on a single neural network, Manus distributes work among specialized subagents, each trained for a specific function. When given a complex problem, it intelligently breaks it into smaller tasks, assigns them to the most relevant agents, and oversees their execution. This eliminates the need for manually connecting multiple AI tools to achieve the same outcome. Another key advantage is its cloud-based asynchronous processing. Most AI assistants require users to stay engaged, prompting them for input at each step. Manus works differently. It processes tasks in the background and alerts users only when results are ready. This means no waiting, no constant supervision. Just a flawless, automated workflow that enhances efficiency without adding complexity. For a long time, AI has been all about the big US tech companies, OpenAI, Google, Meta. The assumption was whoever made the best generative AI would control the future of AI. But Manus completely rewrites that narrative. Instead of waiting for instructions, Manus can take action on its own. Manus was built entirely in China. And this has caused concern in Silicon Valley, where experts worry that China's rapid progress in autonomous AI could give it an upper hand in important industries. But this isn't just about who's winning the AI race. The real question is how quickly the rest of the world can respond. What are your thoughts on Manus? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.